Here's a day in the life. Well, maybe it's your life. Let's say you've just left an important meeting. It's nearly 10 a.m. and you've got a new potential building customer. So now you've got to create an estimate and a takeoff, and you got to figure labor too. Here's the building, and it's pretty complex. Well, you want to keep competitors away, so you need to get it done as soon as possible. You head back to the office and the process begins. The trouble is, you're doing things the way you always have. There's nothing wrong with that. It just takes a lot more time than it needs to. It's a slow process. You started at 1:10 and it's now 4:25, so you've been at it 3 hours and 15 minutes. You've got the basic layout drawn, and the quotes come in at $38,946 and change. And you figured the materials list. Well, that's a long list, and I sure hope you didn't forget anything. Wait, you forgot to include labor in the quote. Well, I guess you're going to be late for dinner again. Time's money, and you've burned through a lot because your time is worth as much as anyone else's. $35 an hour? More? Meanwhile, your competitor had a meeting with that potential client this afternoon. He understands the power and use of technology, and he launched PostFrame Manager right from his laptop. He drew that building right in front of the customer and showed them what it was going to look like. He answered their what-if questions and made changes on the spot. Then he gave them a 3D virtual tour of the resulting building. He gave the customer an extremely realistic idea of exactly how that building was going to look. Inside or outside and from every angle. Didn't make any difference. Not only that, he produced a customer quote without ever leaving the meeting, complete with all the specifications and color photos of the building. PostFrame Manager produced the post column layout drawing in just seconds. And it produced a variety of drawings at the same time, like siding application detail by wall, elevations, every view, every wing, lumber application detail by wall, and a lot more. At the same time, the system produced all of the construction drawings and needed reports, including supplier purchase orders. That saved him a lot of time, and yeah, it also figured labor at the same time. In the end, it was your competitor who earned the business. So the question is, do I continue doing things the hard way, and that means taking more time than you really need to when you could be seeing more customers and quoting more buildings and probably closing more business? Or do you start doing things the easy way, and that's the fast way? PostFrame Manager is not only the easy way, it's way less expensive, and as a bonus, it's more accurate and reliable at the same time. Why don't you go to PostFrameManager.com, get all the details, and you can download the system for a lot less than you think. Once again, go to www.postframemanager.com. It'll change your life, I promise you that. And a bonus is you'll get home in time for dinner once in a while.